Okay.
Hi, and this is my Python 3 final project presentation. My idea. This project was inspired by a building battle game that I was watching my brother play. He was playing on this random Minecraft server, so I just decided to steal it. That is a picture of the build. What did I learn and use? My project uses classes and functions. First, I use class to organize all the blocks in my game and placing them and removing them. And I use functions to organize my code to check and place the blocks. Next. Here are some code examples. Here's my check block function, which checks the blocks that the player placed. And this is the placing block function, which just randomly places the block and stores them in a list. This clears all the blocks. This is a timer. This is a live demonstration. No.
Escape.
Ignore the boxes. Like, I wasn't torturing them, definitely. Whatever. Wait. Okay. Start. Oh, no, probably from the code. Never mind. No. Ah! Okay. No, why do I keep opening the code? Start. Maybe the code broke. Okay,
Technical issues.
What? What? Why? Why doesn't this work?
You should tell. Do you need some time to adjust?
No.
It was working 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, I don't know.
You play with too many foxes.
What's with the foxes in the background? Ignore them.
Hold on, Kevin. Open your code.
Yeah. I don't know.
No, it actually should work.
It should work. Did I type this wrong?
No, you typed it right.
Maybe you restart the whole game?
Run.
Is it possible you just exit and then come back again?
Or. Oh,
There you go.
maybe. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yes.
and basically you're supposed to look at this and memorize it. You're supposed to memorize this build.
And then?
How long do you have to memorize?
2 minutes. That is too hard.
So we have to wait 2 minutes. It's for it to delete.
Okay. I memorize it with my phone.
Bruh.
And what's next?
Wait.
Huh?
What's-
Oh, is there like timer inside?
Yeah.
How do we know the countdown or the timer?
You don't.
Oh, there's no clock or no, wait. There's
Well, I had a timer for you to place the blocks, but I was too lazy to change it. It'd take too long.
oh, so we just wait 2 minutes?
Yeah. Oh, oops, there's a timer.
Where?
No. Okay, yeah, and you have to place the blocks in time before this timer thing gets to the end.
Oh, this is timer.
Oh, that's so cool.
And then
Place the blocks.
Place the blocks, Kevin.
I forgot it. I never memorized it.
let me
Okay, no.
here.
Silly.
Go.
Oh,
Hurry up.
what? I'm gonna fail.
This is like
This is too many blocks. Karen.
I'm gonna fail.
Don't look at the time. Just go.
I'm pretty sure the timer is like
I'm pretty sure the timer's gonna start. What if you make it? What happens?
nothing.
Explode.
No, wait. Yeah. What if you don't make it? You have to go inside the box.
You could make an easier one. That's so complicated.
This is too
Yeah, it's overcomplicated.
You
Why'd you
can
make
make
it so big?
I don't know.
You can make a smaller one, an easier version, so that you won't
I'm
fail.
gonna fail. No, the
Oh, you still have
timer.
time. Still have time. Go,
1
go,
minute.
Go go.
No.
Are you even halfway?
Yeah,
Can't even
yeah.
think.
It's
in
very
this
po-
game.
It's very possible.
Ugh, I should have made the timer longer.
Wait, how do you think if the timer's right?
How do you see it if the timer is behind? Good question, Cherry.
It's possible. It's possible. Just go.
Go, Kevin, go.
This is no, wait. No, 1 minute left. I'm so
Go go
good.
go. Try your best.
Why do you think so?
Green, yellow.
Where's the timer?
Wait, I can't tell the difference between purple and blue. What is purple? I can't tell.
Ooh, look behind you.
What?
Oh.
No.
啥时候进的色？
Yeah, mine's not that complicated.
No, it's too hard.
Mine's more like
No, I lost.
What happened if you lost?
No, I lost. There's
Was
nothing.
no punishment?
yeah, there.
No,
No,
kaboom.
not yet.
No explosion.
Oh, he can add a kaboom.
But if you're successful, is there like any?
Not yet. Probably like fireworks or
Is there
something.
like fireworks? Did you set a fireworks?
No.
Blocks that place.
Okay.
It was so
Oh.
complicated.
Okay. Continue your presentation.
Okay.
Give me my phone.
Ugh.
Thank you.
My favorite part was playing it because it was very, very extra super deluxe mega fun. Yeah. I was just torturing the foxes. Yeah, nothing. Improvements. If I were to continue working on this project, I would add check it by percentage. Basically, it doesn't get checked like depending on how many blocks you get correct. It would tell you a score. So that's what I mean by percentage. And I would also add making my own levels instead of using random generation because yeah, it's overly too hard. And it would probably be more fun. Lastly, I'd complete the checking function, which I never completed. And like, if you win, something happens, and if you lose, something happens. Thank you for listening.
Yay.